Alright, so I'm back. I just been busy with school and stuff, so it's been very crazy. So then I got this K Camp On the Way Is Up debut album, the deluxe edition. This is very hard to find, so I had to put this on Amazon to get it. So it was pretty hard. You got the track listing here. You'll pause it if you see it. So anyway, there's 16 tracks on here. So it's a pretty good album. So all the songs is good. So and this the CD with all the speakers in the back. This the thank yous in the back of the CD and stuff. Then here you go right there. Jesus, something. He look like Jeezy and someone else. I think it look like. He got T on there. I heard he changed T.I.'s verse and went back and changed it. I don't like artists doing that stuff, man. I just don't like it, dude. You got Yo Gotti on there. You got Fresh Montana and Genius on there. You know, you got Comfortable on there. Bun B, Snoop. You got Shad the Prince, Fetty Wap. And got this little artist over here. In interviews, he is a scumbag for real, but at the end of the day, this album's pretty good at the same time, though. But, yeah. I shout out in the next video, and peace.